Okay, so now in this video we will make the turning of the player a little bit smoother. So for that, open up your script and then right down below let's add another header by the name of player jumping and velocity. And in here we will create a public float. Let's name this as run calm time, or you can name this as run smooth time if you want. I will make the default value of this as 0.1, and after this I will create another float. Okay, this will be a private float, so let's name this now as run calm velocity. Okay, and then after this target angle, let's create another float by the name of angle, and this will be equals to mathf dot smooth temp angle. And in here let's pass the transform dot Euler angles actually, and then dot y, and after this we will pass the target angle, and then we will pass the run calm velocity, and then the run calm time. After this, what we will do now is simply right here, now instead of the target angle we will pass just the angle float. Okay, now if we save the script and make sure that you type f right here at the end, because this is a float value. Okay, get back to Unity. Okay, here is our player, there is the run calm time. You can change this value according to your game, but for now let's just test this on 0.1. And now if we move forward and move to the left side, as you can see now the turning is a lot more smoother, as you can see. Now let's change this value to 0.5, and you can notice the turning of the player, which is basically a lot more slower. And if we leave it on 0.1, as you can see, it is working perfectly fine, as you can see. Now in the next video what I want to do is to simply move this player, or you can say rotate the player according to our camera. Okay, for now as you can see our player is not rotating according to the camera, so in the next video we will do that.